Greetings, my beautiful lovelies, it's Emmy and welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by Helix Sleep, a premium mattress in a box company that makes mattresses that fit your needs and preferences. Fill out the Helix Sleep quiz that outlines your bed style, your sleeping preferences, your firmness preferences, and Helix will match you with a mattress for your needs. I am a little embarrassed to share this with you, but I'm going to because it's the truth. We inherited a mattress years and years and years ago. I actually found the tag when I was swapping out my mattresses, and it's from 1988. When we moved to Japan, I put this mattress in storage. I stored this mattress, and when we came back, there it was in storage, and we've been sleeping on it ever since. This mattress definitely needs to be retired, and our new mattress is lovely. It has so much more support. It's not lumpy. My back feels supported. It is just a pleasure to sleep on. So getting enough sleep and good quality sleep is so important. And I really learned this when I had my first child and I was nursing. And so every couple of hours, my sleep would be disrupted and I was just perpetually cranky, just kind of irritated and mad all the time because I wasn't getting that good chunk of just uninterrupted sleep. Did you know on average we spend about 40% of our day in bed? 40%. We don't even think about that because we're sleeping, but that is a significant part of our day. So it is so important for that to be comfortable sleep. So I really like that Helix Sleep customizes the mattresses to your needs. So besides comfort, what I really liked about our Helix Sleep mattress is that it arrived at our doorstep in a box that made it so convenient and easy to take up our narrow stairwell. Another great thing is that shipping is free within the US. Helix Sleep mattresses also include a 100-night trial and a 10-year warranty. So if you'd like to try a Helix Sleep mattress for yourself, click the link down below to receive up to $200 off your Helix Sleep mattress along with 2 free pillows. Big thanks to Helix Sleep for sponsoring this video and allowing me to make better content for you guys. Now today I am going to be making a sandwich I've been dying to make. I've confessed this before and I will confess it again, but I really enjoy watching street vendor food videos from around the world. There's just something so captivating. It's the point of view of watching someone prepare the food for yourself. It's performative, but it just always looks so stinking delicious. And today I'm going to be making an Indian egg sandwich. You might have seen these videos already, but the vendor will prepare a couple of eggs, basically scramble them, pour them out into a griddle, add 2 pieces of bread and do this really fun folding technique, and then you end up with this beautiful egg sandwich. So I'm going to be basing my recipe and technique off of some videos I watched on YouTube. I will put their links down in the description. And I'm also getting some inspiration from this beautiful book by Chetna McCann. It's called Chai, Chaat and Chutney. This is such a beautiful book with all kinds of wonderful recipes, a street food journey through India. I'm also going to use her omelette pav recipe for some inspiration as well. While my griddle is heating, I'm going to prepare my eggs. Drop them into here. So I've got a tray of wonderful things. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some chili powder, some curry powder, and a little bit of garam masala, chilies, and a little bit of shallots. And now we're just going to beat that up. And add some butter, more shallots, chopped tomato. Add some chilies to that. Now we're going to add our beaten up egg. So basically we're making a thin omelet. Now we're going to take our bread, we're going to dip it, and then flip it, just so we get some egg on this side. So I'm going to make sure I'm cooking all the egg. So we want this to set up a little bit, just so we can flip it. Now you should see some of these videos of these vendors. They make these so fast, it's incredible. Okay, we're almost there. And so I'm going to loosen it a little bit here. And now we're going to flip this whole thing. I'm going to try to at least. Oh no, my eggs are a little overdone. So now we're going to flip the egg inside like this, and then we're just going to flip it like that. And there you have a beautiful egg omelet sandwich. Add a little extra garam masala right on top, little shake of that. Then we're gonna add some cilantro. And then we just cut this into pieces like this. Oh, this looks so good. And there you have it, the Indian egg sandwich. Oh, I can't wait to tuck into this. Alrighty, let's give our egg sandwich a taste. Itadakimasu. So good. The flavors in this are so good. I particularly like the flavors from the fresh chili. Not only does it give a tiny bit of heat, but it gives that lovely pepper flavor to it as well. Then we've got the caramelized shallots in there, a little bit of tomato for some acidity, and you've got so many beautiful colors here too. You've got the bright yellow from the eggs, the green from the fresh cilantro, a little bit of tomato for red. It's just so good. I also like how the bread absorbs some of the egg as well. It softens the texture of the bread. It's a bit like French toast in that way. It softens it, but it's not custardy. And then of course it gives this beautiful yellow hue to the bread as well. It's just so good. I saw in one video where they serve this with a side of fresh red onion. So I'm gonna add some of that to my sandwich here, along with some more chilies. Gosh, I love chilies. Here we go. I really like the addition of the raw onion. It gives it this really great crunch too. I'm adding this to my lunchtime arsenal. It is so stinking good. Absolutely delicious. So there you have it. Indian egg sandwich. Scrumdiddlyumptious. And this is so ripe for customization as well. Add whatever you like to it. I've seen ones that have cheese in them as well. Go for it. The world is your oyster. Or your egg sandwich. Alrighty, my beautiful lovelies, thanks so much for watching, and big thanks to Helix Sleep for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to get a Helix Sleep mattress for yourself, click the link down below to receive up to $200 off your Helix Sleep mattress along with 2 free pillows. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you learned something. Please share this video with your friends, follow me on social media, like this video, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo, take care, bye! Is there something stuck in my teeth? I feel like something's stuck in my teeth.